Andi Peters almost got blown away during Wednesday's rain as a huge gust of wind caused his umbrella to pull him over. The 50-year-old ITV presenter was in the middle of hosting the competition from the blustery hills of Glenfinnan in Scotland when the wind interrupted the segment. Lorraine was left in hysterics as Andi lost control and was pulled left and right by the strong elements. The TV star attempted to regain his footing to continue his presenting duties, but the weather had other ideas as his umbrella was turned completely inside out. After the hilarious fail, Andi joked with Lorraine and pretended to be blown right out of shot, making her laugh more. More to follow. This is a live TV story and is constantly being updated. Please refresh the page regularly to get the latest TV updates. You can also follow us on Twitter @DailyStar, or follow us on Instagram @DailyStar to get the latest TV and celeb gossip 24 hours a day. Or like our Daily Star Showbiz Facebook page to get the day's biggest stories, and have your say on them. Why not also subscribe to receive our regular Daily Star Showbiz newsletters? You can do this on this page by simply entering your email address above and hitting subscribe. Download the Daily Star app for flash alerts on the biggest stories of the day, so you don't miss out. Why not also subscribe to receive our regular Daily Star news bulletins? You can do this on this page by simply entering your email address above and hitting subscribe.